Hello everyone, and today, I will be talking about 5 ridges in Honolulu, Hawaii that is well known for their good views. So the first one is Kuli'o'o Ridge Trail. Kuli'o'o Ridge Trail is a 5-mile round-trip hike that is beginner level. Almost all of the hike is canopied and has stairs at the end to accomplish all of the elevation gain. Next up, Hawaii Lower Ridge Trail. Hawaii Lower Ridge Trail is a 4.1-mile round-trip trail that's hard level. This hike has only a little bit of canopied spots, with most of the hike also being exposed. This is my go-to if you want to practice your steep mud climbing and building strength. For beginners, this isn't really a good hike since they don't really know how to climb yet. Fun fact: Hawaii Lower Ridge is also a gated neighborhood that has multi-million-dollar houses when you're navigating to the trailhead. Alright, let's move to the harder ridges. Try the Wili Wili Nui Ridge Trail, for example. The Wili Wili Nui Ridge Trail is a 4.7-mile round-trip hike that is moderate level, and is a go-to if you want to refresh yourself and cross off a ridge hike. This hike is neither too hard nor too easy, because this is slightly harder than Kuli'o'o and slightly easier than Hawaii Loa. You're gonna have to hike in good weather, right? So, I'm gonna tell you where to track the weather of each ridge. For Kuli'o'o, you're gonna look at the weather in East Honolulu. For Hawaii Loa and Wili Wili Nui Ridge, you're gonna track the weather in Aina. So now let's move on to the hardest ridges, aka the last 2 ridges. Pu'ulanipo. Pu'ulanipo is a 5.2-mile round-trip hike that is difficult level, and is exposed all of the hike. This ridge is considered difficult because there are rock scrambles and severely eroded areas that are really physically demanding, plus there's actually a confusion at the summit. You think that the highest viewpoint is the summit, but no. You have to cross to another peak for the actual summit. And that crossover is the hardest part of the hike and is 1.2 miles long, which makes the hike 6.4 miles long in real life. Time for the Wa'ahila Ridge Trail. The Wa'ahila Ridge Trail is a 4.5 to 5.3 mile hike that is hard level, and the reason for that is the roller coaster terrain. After the junction to the Koluwalu Trail, it gets super rolling. So it's technically hard level because of the roller coaster terrain. This hike is canopied in some parts, but mostly exposed. So the location to track weather for these 2 trails is Kaimuki. Anyway, I'll let you watch the rest of this clip.